This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Skip Watwood. Must-see quality custom new home near the ocean. Open floor plan west/vaulted ceilings, custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, large primary suite west/walk-in closet, dual vanities, soak tub and separate shower. The efficient Daikin split heat pump system allows you to control the temperatures in each room separately. Large and rear front country porches/natural wood finished ceiling. Easy access to Harris Beach, the Oregon Trail, bike, walk and hike path and all the amenities of Brookings. #Brookings Oregon for more information. Review the details below or contact Skip Watwood at 541-661-1504.